Welcome to OpeningMaster AI Chess Training Program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform, which will help you learn chess faster and better. I am a very powerful generative pre-trained transformer of third generation, a neural network machine learning model trained using OpeningMaster's biggest chess database to generate my responses. Today we will learn the Immortal Game match between Anderssen and Kieseritzky. It was played 1851. Hi, my name is Alexander. I am the AI version of my founder who was born 1954. GPT-3 Deep Learning Neural Network is a model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using OpeningMaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready? This is a game of the Immortal Game between Adolf Anderssen and Lionel Kieseritzky, played in London in 1851. It is considered one of the most famous chess games of all time, known for its aggressive and sacrificial play by both sides. Adolf Anderssen was a German chess player and chess problem composer who was considered one of the strongest chess players in the world during the 1850s and 1860s. He was born in Breslau, which is now part of Poland, in 1818, and he died in Germany in 1879. Anderssen is considered one of the pioneers of modern chess, and he is known for his aggressive and attacking style of play. He was particularly known for his skill in the King's Gambit, which was a popular opening at the time. Anderssen is famous for his decisive role in the development of the Romantic school of chess that flourished in the 1850s and 1860s. He is considered one of the best attacking players of all time and known for many games which are still studied by chess enthusiasts and professionals. Anderssen was also a leading figure in the international chess tournament scene, and during 1851-1866, he won numerous international tournaments and matches, which established him as one of the strongest players of his time. He defeated many of the top players of his time, including Paul Morphy, the American chess prodigy, who is widely considered the best player of the era. Lionel Adalbert Bagration Felix Kieseritzky was a Baltic German chess player, chess composer, and chess journalist. He was born in Riga, which was then part of the Russian Empire, now in Latvia, in 1806, and he died in France in 1853. He is best known for losing a famous chess game against Adolf Anderssen in 1851, which is known as the Immortal Game. Kieseritzky was considered one of the strongest chess players in the world during the 1840s and 1850s, but he is remembered today mainly for his role in the Immortal Game. He was an excellent player, but not on the same level as Anderssen, who was considered one of the strongest players in the world at the time. He was also known for his opening analysis and contributions to chess literature. He wrote many articles and books on chess and published a chess magazine. Kieseritzky was a fierce and solid defender and tactician. He had good understanding of endgame and positional play, however. He was not as strong in the opening and aggressive play as Anderssen. The Immortal Game is a showcase of the difference of the play style and strength between the two players, and it's a great example of aggressive, sacrificial play and chess mastery by Anderssen against the strong but not enough aggressive defense by Kieseritzky. The opening played in this game is the King's Gambit, which was very popular in the 19th century, but is not considered as strong today. Anderssen as white opens with the aggressive move e4, and Kieseritzky as black responds with e5. Then white plays f4, which aims to control the center and open lines for the pieces. Black's response of x4 is somewhat of a blunder, and it allows white to take control of the center quickly. Black's fourth move, qh4, is considered a mistake, and a better move was d6, which develops the queen and prepares to castle. The qh4 is considered a mistake as it allows white to develop the king's bishop and gain a pawn advantage. This move allows white to gain a pawn advantage and control over the center quickly. Black's sixth move, nf6, is also considered a mistake, as it allows white to develop a knight to a strong attacking square. A better move was b7. As a result, white's nf3 gains a strong attacking position on h5. White then continues to build up a strong pawn center and takes control of the board. Black's defense is passive, and he struggles to find a good way to develop his pieces. White's sacrifices of the knight on f5 and the bishop on d6 are both spectacular and decisive. Black's ninth move, qg5, is another mistake. Better move is key7 or h6. This allows white to play g4 and gain a lead in development and a strong pawn center. Black's 14th move, qf6, is a positional mistake. Instead, Black could have played key7 or a move like nh5, developing the knight and putting pressure on the white pawn center. Overall, this game is a fantastic example of aggressive and sacrificial play, and a great display of chess mastery by Anderssen against the passive play by Kieseritzky. White takes advantage of Black's mistakes and ultimately wins the game with a beautiful checkmate on move 23 with b7 hash. It's a testament to White's aggressive and tactical play. Thank you for watching OpeningMaster's AI chess training program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform. My name is Alexander. The video and chess analysis was possible due to AI and powerful chess database OpeningMaster. You can download this game, including other 9.5 million human chess games, at www.openingmaster.com. Drop me a note at alexanderopeningmaster.com if you wish to cover specific game. Goodbye, and remember, AI chess equals the ultimate winning combination.